By the looks of these sharpening stones, they could really use some cleaning. So after a little bit of internet research, I've decided to try something. Most other things, when I need them cleaned, I put them in this basket and then drop the basket in my ultrasonic cleaner. I don't know if that's going to work well with the grinding stones, but we're going to give it a try. Now, none of the stones, being so long, will fit in the baskets that I have. So I found some of the strapping, and I took a pair of pliers and just kind of made little waves out of it, just long enough so they'll fit, and I could get at least 2 stones, but doubtful anymore. We'll put them in and we'll see what we can do. Well, I was right, only room for 2 of them for sure. So we're going to put some paint thinner in here and see what the paint thinner does. Okay. I don't know how that works. I think maybe we're set for somewhere around 10 to 15 minutes. Well, they've had about 20 minutes in there. Let's take a look at one. There's a lot of dirt come off that. Maybe we'll just try to rinse that off. I don't have to rinse it, just clean some of the dirt off. And it's already looking cleaner than when it went in for sure. And look at the other one. Well, that one didn't come as clean by the looks of it anyhow. Well, there's a lot of dirt in there. Maybe we better clean the dirt out of this before putting them back in again. I'm giving them a rub with a coarse diamond stone. There are different grits of this stuff. This is coarse, and here we've got a medium and a fine. So I thought I'd try the coarse. I've taken the magic marker and put a few lines on here so I could see if I was taking anything off. And not very much so far. It's got a high spot here that's coming clean, and you can see the lighter spots are the high spots. And I'm just rubbing on top. So I would say that this is going to take a while, so we'll do some more off camera. Well, I found it works better to put a little soap on there, so I put a little dish soap on and give it another scrub, and I think it's coming out pretty good here. Sure looks a lot cleaner than it did before. I can still see some evidence of the magic marker lines I put on here, so I may give it another scrub, and then we can turn it over and see what it does for this side, which is also pretty dirty. Well, that sure is looking a lot cleaner than it was. And this side, even cleaner. And no doubt a lot flatter than what it was also. So this, I would say, overall is working quite nicely.